I'm going to show you exactly how to make a spinning wheel in Canva using a simple step-by-step method. This works perfectly for raffle games, classroom activities, giveaways, or fun interactive content. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create and choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once your blank canvas opens, go to Apps on the left panel. In the search bar, type Lucky Wheel and press Enter. Click on the app to open it. Inside the Lucky Wheel app, you'll see options to customize the appearance of your wheel. Scroll sideways to view different styles, or click See All to explore all available designs. Next, go to the Items section. This is where you add names, categories, prizes, or anything you want to include in the spinning wheel. To add an item, simply type it in, press Enter, and repeat until your list is complete. Once you're done, click Generate Wheel and Canva will automatically create the spinning wheel for you. When it's finished, the wheel will instantly appear on your canvas. To use the wheel, double-click it to interact with the design, then click once more to start spinning it. This is perfect for raffle draws, classroom recitation, decision-making, and more. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You now have a fully functional spinning wheel in Canva that's interactive, fun, and easy to use. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and simple tutorials like this, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.